Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Creatie. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring how each platform handles design and collaboration. We'll also take a close look at their user interfaces, assessing the learning curve for new designers. Finally, we'll discuss their respective pricing structures and the strength of their community support, helping you decide which tool best fits your workflow. Figma shines with its unparalleled real-time collaboration, enabling design teams to work together seamlessly on a single file. Its extensive plugin ecosystem, boasting thousands of integrations, significantly extends its capabilities for various design tasks. Being entirely web-based, Figma offers incredible accessibility, allowing you to design from virtually any device, whether it's a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet, with just an internet connection. Creatie stands out with its powerful advanced vector editing tools, perfect for designers tackling intricate graphic projects. A significant advantage is its robust offline capabilities, ensuring your work continues uninterrupted even without an internet connection. Furthermore, Creatie offers deep integration with other popular Creative Suite applications, streamlining your workflow and providing a cohesive environment for all your design needs, from illustration to layout. When choosing between Figma and Creatie, consider your primary needs. If real-time collaboration, a vast plugin library, and cloud-first accessibility are paramount, Figma is likely your best fit. However, if advanced vector editing, the ability to work offline, and seamless integration with other Creative Suite tools are more crucial, Creatie might be the superior choice. Both platforms offer excellent features, so exploring their free options is highly recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.